Hello, good day to everyone. Hello. This is ZoomFlix. I'm here to share another important update in our YouTube channel. So yesterday, I received an email about one of my live stream. So I did a live stream using Restream. And I received an email from YouTube. So I'll show it to you so that you would also know. Oops, wait. So here's my Gmail. So this is yesterday, April 24. Here. So there's a copyright notice from my live stream. So it was interrupted. This was the live stream that I use a giant octopus sinks oil tanker. So here, hi ZoomFlix. Due to copyright match, your stream was interrupted. The title of the live stream, here it is. And the streams are interrupted when copyrighted content is detected. After copyrighted material is no longer being streamed, streams are automatically re-enabled. So the stream that I used, or the content or video that I used, because it came from a third-party source where it was produced and made into a short video, and then text and voiceover was also included in that short video for it to be informative, but rather it was detected, I think, because of I forgot, or I didn't check if the music that it had on that application from that stream is a non-copyright content. So furthermore, let's go to the second email. So here, so the live stream was, or your YouTube removed your content. So my live stream was removed. There. My live stream was removed. It looks like the live stream didn't follow community guidelines. To help keep our community safe, we removed it from YouTube. So with that, I received this one. I received the first whistle. Okay, in which I was warned. That's why I received this copyright notice. So what YouTube found, we think your content didn't follow our third content policy. We detected third-party content in your live stream that was not corrected following repeated warnings of possible abuse. You may not have intended to include this content, but live stream should be actively monitored by the channel owner, and any potential issues should be corrected in a timely manner. For a refresher on how content matching works on live streams, please review this article in the Help Center. If you regularly stream content that includes third-party material or plan to do so in the future, you may wish to reach out to the rights holder to get allow listed from content ID policy. So what I did is from that app, I made information to download and put voiceover to somehow explain what the video is all about. So that is automatically a third-party content. So with that, I download the content, and then I upload it and use it in my live stream to do a loop, or it's like a screencast live stream. So that prompted YouTube to detect my live stream. That's why they have this notification. So how this impacts you? So it says here, this is just a warning because this is your first time. You can still upload, post, and live stream. However, the live stream was, as you can see from this email, it is already removed from YouTube. Okay, so this is just a warning. So once we do another breach from the YouTube policy, so I already have the first warning, so I will have the strike one. Okay, so if I'm able to receive strike one without finishing the 90 days lapse period of this warning, I won't be able to live stream, I won't be able to upload, I won't be able to post here in my YouTube channel, ZoomFlix. So with this, it's just a warning. So keep in mind that we should be wary of what we are doing in our YouTube channel, especially if your channel is already monetized, because it's very hard. It's very hard to keep the monetization active. Once we are demonetized, so it will take more time, more effort, more use of resources to be able to go up again and have our channel monetized. Okay? So what to do next? Review your content and policy. After you review, you can appeal. If you think we got it wrong, you can take an optional training to remove the warning. Learn about your resolution options. So with that, I already went or checked my channel dashboard, which is there. So I will show you what is this all about. Your next step. So you go to your channel dashboard. Sorry. Okay. So here I'm here in my channel dashboard. So this is the information. So you check the actions. Click take action. So review an issue. Giant octopus sinks oil tanker live. That's the live stream title from our warning. What do you want to do? So there's two options. Take a policy training, and another one is appeal the decision. So when it regards to appeal the decision, this is very seldom chosen by the content creator, unless it says here, if you think you make a mistake, you can appeal. We'll take another look at your content. You can appeal anytime, even after taking the training. So how it works, we'll review your content and let you know within 72 hours. If it didn't violate any policies, we'll put it back on YouTube and your warning will be removed. If it did violate our policies, you'll have another chance to take a training. So with this, when you appeal the decision, see to it that that content is like copyright free. You won't be having any issues with regards to the video, when in regards to the music or the background music that you are using in that content. So I did not choose this one because I know from the time being that the music, I think the music is the one that made this tick or made this red flag from YouTube. So what I did was I chose take a policy training. So with this, to have your warning expire in 90 days, okay, you have the option to take a quick 7-question training. Okay, so once you choose this one, you will go through a 7-question process, or you will do like a policy training exam with that 7 questions. It's easy. You can just click the different options available. It's like choosing A, B, C, D. With that, the answers are already there, so it would be easier for any YouTuber to take the policy training. So I did my policy training also on that same day, April 25. That was yesterday. And that 90 days warning will expire on July 23, 2025. So that is the 90 days grace period. Once we haven't done any policy breach in our YouTube channel, that warning will be removed after 90 days. But within that 90 days, and then we committed another policy breach here in YouTube, instead of having a warning, we will now have the strike one. Okay, so as I mentioned a while ago, when we have the strike one, we won't be able to upload, we won't be able to live stream. Okay, our basic activities here in YouTube will be stopped for a meantime, no? For a meantime. So once we get that cleared, maybe we will be able to do again another policy training once we get the strike, no? There's another email like this one that we need to go over the policy for us to refresh and look what made our channel get that strike, no? And once we take that policy training again with like this one, so we will be able to push things around, no? We will be able to push things around in our YouTube channel. So we should be wary in everything that we do. We must take it into consideration that it should be, our content should be originally made by us, no? We can use some of the videos available, no? Just check if the video are no copyright content or the music is a no copyright content, so that once we upload or use it here in YouTube, it won't be having a problem. So once we upload content, you try to put it in a situation where everything is included, and once we choose the way in which our video would be uploaded here, it should be set into private, no? So that you can check if that uploaded video, premiere shorts or upload instantly, will be checked by YouTube. So once there's no breach, there is no copyright content flagged down, no? So that's the time we can use. But when we are doing a live stream, it's different. It's different. So like this one, there is no way for that video or live stream that we are doing will be categorized as private. We usually do live stream as live, not set it in a private and then let YouTube check everything. We cannot do that. No, we cannot do that. That's why if we're doing a open mic live stream where friends or myself singing in my live stream, I usually receive a copyright content. So that's the time we can try to clean it or make it mute in our live stream so that we won't be having problems with the revenue of our YouTube channel if our channel is already monetized. So I hope this information I shared to everyone will be able to give you an idea on what we are doing here in YouTube. So if you have any problem with this kind of situation, you can comment below. Okay, you can comment below and we'll see. If you have any questions, just let me know so that I can answer it for you, so that it would be clear for everyone. Okay, thank you for sharing your time to listen and watch my content here. With this one, I hope we can build a more sustainable channel so that we won't be having problems like this. I know it's not only me having problems like this because we are not a big channel. We're just a small YouTuber doing content that we like. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Okay. So please do comment if you have any suggestions or want to ask something. Comment below. Don't forget to like, of course, subscribe. Thank you everyone. This is ZoomFlix. See you around. Bye bye. Have a good day and smile always. ZoomFlix signing on. Bye.
Thank you, thank you for standing by me, standing for me. Thank you, thank you, thank you for standing.